From the title, you're not supposed to see Wagwan. Me lost my fin and my glass. So what I do, me take some old glass when I have and me get one from a friend and make back a decent one with it. Yeah man, so I go test out that you know and a fin when I have there where DNA use and me other bridging use when they come and see with me. Yeah, I come back same place where they last year because I close to my house, the same beach where I do the previous video, you know. See the car up there, so same ready. I put them on the car top and I forgot to take them off and drive off with them on the car top. So them drop off a road and people must take them up all. I saw them betting go still. So when I do, I order back a fin and thing and yeah. And a fin and a snorkels, but me fix back a decent glass, well decent. Yeah, I got alright. This is one of my glass I used before, I love, so I fix it back. So I bring my spear gun with me still. I never plan to shoot nothing still, but like how I go do a little snark around the area, I can just go up on the blue and see if I can see anything in the same time. Because I don't know fish same way. So if I can see all the 1 or 2 nice size fish I can get, me take them. But the fin there and see the glass. Yeah, so that I go do in the evening. You know. And after 3 you know, 3:18 and the rain fall. It fall but it start June now a little. And the sea well calm but the place overcast. And I bring my light as well. So I can use if anything. Yeah man, so. Up push part the glass. Same place I drive off from. I go rinse them off up a one little part where some fresh water run through and spring come out of the sea right out the sun. Walk and put them on the car top and forget to take them off. Forget to take them off and them drop off somewhere on the road or maybe same place here so. I saw that was still. I just get back a new fin and I work on a decent glass. So alright. Watch how I start out the glass then. I want to see how I deal with it. So guys, so what go on now? So I have this is my first glass I have before. Wait there. See the shell? Yeah man, this is one that have a GoPro mount on the top. So what I do, the glass I'm kinda crack up. I guess so this is one and this is one. So I change them out. This is our next glass just like it again. But this one I never have the mount, same brand. Everything is same on it, just the mount. So the rubber better though. This is the rubber will come out of that one. Yeah, and this are the band them. If you band down the glass and the rubber. So what I do? I pull up everything already. Because I'm gonna make one good glass. I'm gonna fix what the glass with my GoPro mount. I love that glass so much, but the rubber kinda get destroyed. The rubber in a really see the but you can see the crinkle them grow on the end. See the crinkle? Yes, so it start leak for me. So I have to change it to the one will last. But I never too like the glass will last still now because through the color like this and then it snorkels. So you run the fish them only when you have, you have scuba diving you use them a type of pretty thing. When you do spear fishing, your glass pour that jet black or you have a camouflage color. So I try it, I go fix back this one now nice and see if I can maybe. I don't know. I probably try to fix back not out of them still, but I try to fix back this. I go fix back this, put back this rubber in there. Them 2 nice glass, yeah. 2 original piece. I will go in the back with them 2 banner. And it's tricky when you pull up glass, because some glass make different. This one of the thing here where you lift up the band. Some of them like this one have the band here, so you should like a screwdriver too. So one of them kit here is essential if you do this. So after I done fit up back this now, I go check in and the fin them over there. So them fin there with DNA regular use or 1G, them there me too, you know? Me too. Partner them in regard see if them a come then we use them there. So then me have to go do some swim test with after me finish everything. See, but me have to go order back a fin. So me have to just go and use that one with this glass. So me have to fit up back until the fin come. Me not hard on a glass because I see this glass that me have to fix now. This is going to be one good glass. Because I just want a rubber me did want to get for this glass. And so me get a rubber here. So yeah, the glass are supposed to go good. The only problem me have are snorkels. So probably me order one black snorkels though. And change a pretty green color one here. Yeah man, so I will show you when I done the work on them now. Alright, so see the finish up here now. Two lovely clear glass in there, two original clear glass. You know, there's the front pieces of the go in back. Yeah, and the snorkel is a piece of green snorkel, yeah. And that for change, so maybe I can try say I can order one black snorkel. And then, you know, glass nice because I try it on my face. Nice, feel better than the one that last from me. This is my glass that I used a long time, you know. Yeah, that pretty one there. Work good enough, but the prettiness and you have a look stuck to it when I don't like, you know, like you know fit my face properly. But this are the right, this is my original mask from a long time. And the rain start fall a little you know. Hopefully it can calm down, that's me can go back same place. Down which part my last them go. As me say, go test them. Go test out the glass to see if it a leak or anything. Cause me just work on it, you know. Just work on it around the seal them real leak. So I want to test it feel good and I test it on my face and jaw in and it's stuck and yeah, I force it and blow. I don't feel nothing. But I want to test the rubber. All the rubber new still. I want to test the rubber. This is the greatest thing, you know, peeps. It's the fun about spearfishing and then thing, you know. You can fix your own gears them and make your own gears them sometimes. You don't have to run go buy nothing. You have to buy a good glass and the next fin will cost you a whole heap of money. I will get a fin still because I can't get the fin so easy. So I will get a good fin or I go fit me scuba diving and my spearfishing use. And that's why I'm not buying a long fin, you know. You don't see me in a long fin because I do scuba diving too. Yeah man, I don't really scuba dive and shoot fish because that's wrong. When I do my scuba dive and do video work, like any underwater video work, then I look a project I get for do. Yeah, I use my tank and I have my personal tank and things here I use. So from what year I started some local underwater footage. But my tank and service. It did put on for your time, so I can service it and get it up back. So I have to buy a fin that fit me scuba diving and fit me spearfishing. So I'm not buying a long fin, them free diving fin there. And I'm still not buying a short one like that for use. I want one in between, just like the one that last. I love that one there, so I get back on the same size like that. Yeah man, so catch me back on the beach, you know. That. So I go out in the water now before it get too late. Because after 3 and one thing. So I go out water before it get too late. And see what I can find. I not bother look out for no fish still, you know. I just go test out the glass most important thing. If I can go and use this glass and fin until I get the new fin. Although I know the glass will work good still. So I go out water and see what I go on. I'm in the water now, and let me tell you, the glass works flawlessly. Making my way to the deeper water because I want to check the pressure, or the glass angle the pressure. And this is around the time when I get juked by the sea urchin. That's a sea eagle. I'm heading to the deep. Okay, that one right underneath the gun there. You can see I look down and rest down my spear gun and make to my gloves. So after I move on from there, bearing the pain and walk up this cave with these chubs. Can't get a clear shot, a good shot. So I make a second attempt. This one come very close. Nothing on the second attempt. So I make a third attempt. Take a shot and gauge a lovely size one, but I didn't get it. So I'm in the deep water now, and this water here, I didn't have my dive computer with me at the time, so I couldn't tell the depths, only my watch. And the glass work very good, very good, and the fin have a little kick to it as well. And I actually stay in the water longer than I said I would, because I really enjoy the glass, and the fin was treating me well as well. See, I'm searching in this area, try to find something. That's the first fish. So what I did, I in and out, so to the shallow, to the deep. So this is back to the shallow now. And sometimes you find some lovely size fish in the shallow as well. So this is the moonshine snapper. It's a school of small jacks. So it's getting dark now and I have to get my light. You can see this a baby stingray on the sea floor. So heading in back now, and the glass work very great. Yes, peeps, so come out of the water now, we spend about 2 hours in the water. And come out. Yeah, so, we get to a nice size kangatoni and we shoot on long jaw. Then call him alligator. You don't know there. Long jaw we call him a Jamaica. And a moonshine snapper. We never go for shoot no fish still, but I just take them me that's me can, you know. Though me nah no fish on me yard, you know. I just take them me that's me can, you know. And the kangatoni. Some people call him wrenchman, but they have a different fish who live a deep. We name wrenchman. Some people call him wrenchman, but a kangatoni, me know. Them call them. It's a different red fish them call wrenchman. I'll show you them in a little bit. So the glass, me love the glass. As I said before, Other glass I da use first. I just change the rubber and change out the 2 glass them inside. I see them frame. I love it. It nice, it better than the one that last. And then finna I like them powerful. Cause through them stiffer, then give a better, then give a powerful push, but they don't feel they're sitting there to me still. But then can go on still. I go and dive with them until me get the next fin. And that snorkels, I just the colour of this I like still. Come on, see bad boy. Bad man glasses for a long time, I tell you. Sun has set. Wonderful sunset. Beautiful man. Huh? Got that. Yeah, so see what I take in here. I forgot to say 2 jack there too. Yeah, it's a fat. A long time I don't see one of them big so. Long time I don't see one big so at all. 2 nice jack and at first I wanna jump over my shoulder. I don't know why I do so close to me, so I have to take the opportunity. At first I shoot one long jaw. I ever try to shoot one. As I say in one of my previous video. And this is a moonshine snapper. I never go for no fish still, but I just, you know, can top up myself so I have some I can escort fish, you know. Yeah. Every time I say I do something with the fish them, if a friend come, I have to give her some. Then get cooked before. Then get cooked before the time. So I'm going to scale them off and left the place, you know. And a sea eagles, a sea urgent juke me in my hand, you know, man. Left one little piece in there, you know. I have to go and try to get it out. And as I start dive this juke me, you know. The sea urgent juke me, you know. I have to just bear it through the rest of the dive till I stop feeling. Yes, peeps. So I want to look at a piece of video I do, you know. Just to test out the glass and the fin to see if they work properly to make go on a serious spearfishing adventure with them. I like how the glass, I love the glass, it's better than the one I used before. And the snorkel just need a black snorkel. And the fin them okay, they're 75, and I give them 100. They're 75, so I can't work with them until I get a better fin, but I love the glass. Yeah, man, so catch up on the next one then. Zine peeps, the video might look short still, but I just saw it go. Because I feel like I could have share what happened to me with my fin and my glass. Because, you know, people might see me change quickly in things and change gear and I wonder. And that happened, I'm last. So I have to work my magic, go in my box, fix up a glass, draw off your whole fin. Yeah, I get a new fin, see, but I love the glass, so I go and work with the glass. So catch me in the next one then. Zine peeps, NASALINKS, check out.